reason why I decided to go into poultry is because Corona taught me one of the most important business lessons, and that is essential business is the most important. Jamaica is basically importing a lot of things that, you know, we have the potential to grow. I would advise a lot of youths to jump into farming. You know, it's profitable. There's a great demand for it, so you know, you just want to market your stuff the right way. So yeah, I would definitely encourage, you know, everybody to build a fall cube, plant some cabbage, plant something, grow something. Now that you see what I'm doing, you can join in on this too. Stop farm fool, farm foul.